Okay, children, let us begin with question number 76, page number 100. In this question, you have both current account and capital account, and whenever there is a current account, all the adjustments you need to pass through the current account itself. The very first adjustment says that provision for doubtful debt is 5% on debtors, and if you will see, the total value of debtors given to you is 60,000. That gives you 3,000 as provision, 2,400 is already there, so we are going to increase our provision by 600. There is a payable unrecorded liability of outstanding rent for rupees 15,000 that we have to record. Investment was taken over by X for the value of 18,000. Not for cash, they said for 18,000. That means the partner takes away that investment at a loss of 6,000. So you are going to record investment 6,000. Then they said there is an accrued income of 4,500 that will increase your asset, and finally you will be there with a loss of 17,100 which has to be distributed in their old ratio, which is 3:2. But yes, this loss we are going to transfer to the current account, not to the capital account. Then again we are going to prepare a partner's capital account. In your partner's capital account there will be nothing except, because there is no permanent drawings and additional capital introduced. Only a new partner brought in a capital of rupees 60,000 through check. So in your partner's capital account, balance brought down, the amount brought in by the new partner, that is Z, and finally the balance carried down. So here your partner's capital account ends. Now when we have to prepare a partner's current account, every adjustment we need to make through the partner's current account. Balance brought down of the other two partners, the reserve that they have, we need to distribute in their old ratio. After that, the premium brought in by the new partner is 36,000. If you will calculate, their sacrificing ratio is 7:3. Whenever there is a new ratio given and old ratio given, make sure that you are going to calculate your sacrificing ratio. So here your sacrificing ratio is 7:3. Your premium to be distributed in the ratio of 7:3. And after that, they said that half of the premium is being withdrawn by the partners. So you are going to withdraw that half of the cash, that will be 25,200 divided by 2, 12,600, and 10,800 divided by 2, 5,400. Half of the premium being withdrawn by the two partners, and your journal entry will be partner's current account debited to cash. Then we already have a goodwill already appearing in the books that has to be written off. Again, it will be in old ratio. We have transferred the revaluation loss. Investment which was taken over by X again to be 18,000, we are going to record here, and this will give you a current balance of 17,940 and 6,960. Then finally we are going to prepare a balance sheet. In your balance sheet you are going to record creditors, outstanding rent, that is the unrecorded liability, balances of all the three partners capital account, and the balance of current account. So these two things you are going to record. Okay, this is this one, this thing, and these three things. Okay, these are said to be the balances that you are going to transfer in your balance sheet as well. Then when it comes to your asset side, you have to record bank, 15,000 available balance plus 60,000 brought in by the new partner plus 36,000 for the premium that he brings, and out of which 18,000 he has withdrawn. That means total available bank balance will be 93,000. You can even prepare a bank account if you want. Just because in question they haven't said to prepare a bank account, we can directly add or subtract. Okay. Next is here instead of cash you can write bank account itself. Don't write cash because we are having a bank balance given to us. Okay. Next is out of debtors, 3,000 is said to be doubtful. Total good debtors will be 57,000. Patents no change, fixed assets no change, only accrued income will be there. So that will give you 4,14,900 as your balance sheet total. See, you all have to practice question up to 76th and 77th as well. If there is any doubt or any of the question that you are not understood, that you have not understood, feel free to call me or feel free to WhatsApp me. I'm going to share the answer with you. Okay, and then from tomorrow onwards we'll start with the capital adjustment.